a spare, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another on-feet look of the Nike KD4 Aunt Pearls, originally releasing back in May of 2012, if I'm not mistaken. I remember these things dropping. I was a lot younger than what I am right now, and I was like, KD played for the Oklahoma City Thunder, and I was like, man, this would be a nice sneaker to have. I think retail was $95 at the time, not what we have right now. Way different than that 130, but nonetheless, super dope sneaker. And this was a sneaker that a lot of people wanted, like they had to have in their collection and was not able to attain. So all you youngsters, everybody out there, the people that's watching these videos, that's OGs like myself, y'all know how great of a feeling this is to be able to cop a sneaker like this and add it to your collection. And all you youngsters is just sitting back letting it slide, bro, just watching this shoe sit. Bro, man, y'all missing out on a piece of iconic history when it comes to sneakers. But before we get off into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure your notification bell is turned on. I'm going to continue to drop a lot more videos. You guys have been rocking with them like crazy, and I greatly appreciate the support. Remember, the goal is 25K by the end of the year, man. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get off into this review. I'm going to show you guys some details up close and personal because these shoes do pay homage to his Aunt Pearl. I'm going to show you the box and all that a little bit later. But as we look at the exterior left side of this sneaker, you guys see a predominantly pink upper on the KD4. You have the iconic strap with the black Nike swoosh right there. You have an outsole that's a semi-translucent outsole, and the outsole is very good if you're going to hoop in these. The KD4s are a super dope sneaker to hoop in. So as we go around it, the most iconic thing on this sneaker, the graphic, is going to be those pearls. As you guys can see right there, you have the KD logo in black, and then you have the black Nike swoosh right there, and it shows you the pearls, and that's paying homage to the fact that his aunt was named Pearl. So I really love the way Nike executed that with the pearls. But as we go around the shoe on the right side, it's the exact same thing. As we look at the front end of the sneaker, on the tongue, you do have the breast cancer awareness logo right there, and the pearls right there on the tongue. We have that pink strap, the black Nike swoosh right there, and I'm going to show you the inside of the tongue in a few minutes, but we do have that pink. We do have the pink laces as we unscrap that tongue. Like I said, super clean, super detailed. Pink Nike swoosh right here on the toe box. Real good material on both sneakers. Aesthetically, they do look very good. And let's go ahead and talk about sizing as we get off into this hardcore. Sizing, I'm going to say true to size. These do fit better than the 2012 pair. So if you haven't got a pair, and if you had one of the old pairs, I'm going to say go true to size. You can go 11.5. It will fit fine. I always go half a size up on my hooping sneakers. And because of the 2012 pair, that's what I did on this one. But after putting them on feet, I'm going to tell you guys, bro, toe box is a little bit wide. You can definitely go true to size. As far as comfortability goes, man, these things are comfortable. If you're going to be hooping in them, I'm going to say they're going to be like an 8 out of 10. But this is going to be, if this is going to be everyday wear just for a leisure sneaker for style points, man, they ain't too far off, man. They're not that bad. So I'm going to say a 7 out of 10, to be honest with you, because I don't feel like they're mad uncomfortable. You know what I'm saying? And then overall, aesthetically, from the way that they look, the style, the uniqueness, the details, you can't go wrong with this. If we throw everything up, the overall rating for the KD4 Aunt Pearls is going to be a 8 out of 10. This is a dope sneaker. This is an iconic sneaker, and this is a sneaker that I feel like if you grew up around the time when KD actually was with Oklahoma City, he was doing his thing, and the basketball sneaker game was just where at its highest, I feel like this is a sneaker that you have to have in your collection. But y'all comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions. We're going to go ahead and show you guys an up close and personal look and get into the details of this sneaker in the box, and then we're going to close out this video. So as we take a look at the box, nothing special, and I wish they would have did some type of special tribute when it comes to the box. Just a standard black Nike box with the KD in gold. We have the Kevin Durant signature right here. Nike on the side box, and here's the price tag and the sizing and all that stuff. If you guys want to legit check that, do what you do, pause the video. And as we open up the box, it is white, which is white paper, and no quality control sticker within the box. As we take a look at this sneaker, it is a lot of details when it comes to this Aunt Pearl. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the sneaker, which is the most iconic part of this sneaker. As you guys can see right here, we have the KD logo right here with the black Nike swoosh, but you have those pearls behind it right there. Super detailed, super clean on the sneaker. On the tongue, we have that breast cancer awareness. But as we look behind this swoosh, this is another detail, as you guys can see right here. It says that in memory of Aunt Pearl, who inspired us all to continue the fight of a cure. And then as we continue on with the details, paying homage, you see right here, it does say Tia and Tina right there on the strap, just two names right there. And then on the bottom, we do have that work hard, which is something that Kevin Durant was told by his aunt and by his moms to tell him to just continue to work hard. On the laces, and I'm pretty sure that's not going to pick it up, it does say Aunt Pearl on the laces. And like I said, they just really hit the mark when it came to the details and paying homage to something that was near and dear to Kevin Durant's heart. And this shoe was an iconic sneaker that everybody really wanted to get their hands on. So this is a sneaker that's definitely available out there for you guys. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. Is this a must cop for you guys? What are your thoughts and opinions? And like always, I appreciate you guys. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.